Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz.
Hey everybody, welcome to our channel YaadMentz. I'm Devani, and today we're at the Courtyard by the Marriott. It is centered in New Kingston. It's beside Emancipation Park. We have Emancipation Park over here on my left, and we came here today for breakfast. We saw that they were having an offer on their breakfast buffet, so it's half off. You get 50% off, so we came here to enjoy that. And if you'd like to see more of that or review our thoughts or opinions, stay tuned to YaadMentz. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you guys later. Hi everybody, welcome back to YaadMentz. So today we went to the Courtyard by the Marriott for breakfast, and I'm going to talk about the food. It was okay. They had a lot of salamis, different meats, turkey, bacon and stuff like that. For the Jamaicans among us, they had callaloo and saltfish and yam. They also had a lot of pastries like banana bread and muffins and croissants and things of that nature. They had coffee and tea, of course, and they had a good selection of fruits, I would say. But overall, it was an okay taste and quality, I would say.
Right, and the service was okay. The servers came and they asked us if we were okay. They came from different points while we were there, to take the plates, asked if we wanted anything else. So I think the service was okay.
Yeah, and the atmosphere, the place is really beautiful. It's a shame that we couldn't get to take, pictures and stuff, but that's their rule and we understand that. But it was clean, the place was beautiful, very lovely flowers, very lovely table setting and furniture. It was really nice. So the atmosphere definitely gets a thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up. And also the price was reasonable. They have a special going on now. It's like $10 and if you do the conversion from Jamaican to US, it will run you off about 1,200 and something around there plus service charge. So I think the price was good for a hotel setting breakfast.
Yeah, and that is definitely from Monday to Friday, and it's a buffet, so you can continue to eat, and that's from 9 to 10.
Right.
So yeah,
eat till your belly bust. Also, we must say that this video is not sponsored by the Marriott. Right, so we did this on our own. They didn't pay us to say come and give a review about their service or whatever. So we take it upon ourselves to share with you, go to different places and just have fun.
Yeah, and this is just our thoughts and our opinions, but we definitely recommend it. And out of 5, what would you say, babe?
3.
Did I give them a 3 out of 5? So yeah, I agree. I'd give them a 3 out of 5 too. So you can check them out if you want. Tell them that you saw a review. Maybe they will check out our review on it.
Thank you for tuning in. Today was a great day. We went out, eat some breakfast at the Marriott. We had a grand time. Trust me, my belly bust. So you can come here, check it out for yourself. They have a special going on right now for like $10. Pretty cheap for a buffet style breakfast. So come and check it out. Remember, don't forget to tune into YaadMentz. Every week we try to do something different. Like, share, subscribe. YaadMentz. Bread-based, flour-based, but also the.
Why are you so awkward?